Alright folks, here we are on the Neverworld website, and what we want to do first is we want to go, you can either scroll down, there's instructions there, or you can scroll down and go to create an avatar, or you can go right here to resident services, create an account, put in your avatar name here, and then what you're going to do is put in first name space last name. You can only have two names, and then put in your email address, and then don't mind the blue squares, I'm covering my personal information. Check the box that you agree to our terms. Hopefully you've read those, solve the math problem, and then click on go, and then you'll get a confirmation, the login screen. Now what you want to do is you want to go to your email program, preferably the one that you filled in on the square. If you don't see it in your inbox, be sure to check your spam folder. Click the link, it will take you back to the website. Fill in your password here, and I will cover my personal information once again. Put in a nice secure password, it'll tell you if it's secure or not. And then what you want to do is solve the math problem again, and once you've done that, then you click go again, set password, whatever it says there. Can't read it from here. I think it says set password. And then I always, of course, tell my browser to remember it because I'm forgetful. Now we have set the password for the website. Now what we want to do is close that particular window, and that tab, and then we can close our email tab or reduce it, whatever. And we want to go back to the original tab that we were on that had the login information in it. And I'm just going to close that. There we go. So now what we want to do, I'm just going to put in my email address again that I used, and put in the password that I had just set. And then what we want to do is we want to click, of course, solve the math puzzle again. And I'm going to tell it to remember me, because that's always a fun thing to do. And then we want to click login. And now it will take us to the My Account page. Now, if you click on over this little menu on the left, the blue letters, if you click on Avatar, that will take you to your avatar screen. Now, you haven't created an avatar just yet. You'll see there's a name up there. But what you want to do is confirm your password. You have to do that. Confirm your password. That's going to be your in-world password as well as your on-site password. So confirm it here. Select your avatar. You must select a starter avatar. You can always change it in-world, but you want to select a starter avatar here. Scroll down and click Create Avatar. Once that's done, it will take you back to the top, and it's going to say redirecting. Now at this point it just sort of stays stuck in a loop. Don't worry about that. Just go to Account Details, click on Account Details. Now here you want to type in your avatar's first name, your avatar's last name, and then what you want to do is you want to put in your password 3 times. Now I'm going to goof it up here just to show you. I'm going to put it in once, and then I'm not going to put it in on the other 2 times because I'm going to say, well, I don't want to change my password. You don't have to change it here. And I'm going to set save changes. Okay, it's telling me I got to fill in all the passwords. Fill them in. You don't have to change it. Just fill in the same password in all 3 blanks. You must do that. This is logging things into the database. So if you do this, trust me, it's going to get everything right. Fill in your password all 3 spots. Don't forget, you must have your avatar name in the top. Okay, first and last. Then save changes. Okay. Now you're going to get a confirmation message here. Everything was created successfully. Now you've created your avatar. You've confirmed your account details. Now if you go to your dashboard, you see you have viewer configuration. So if you've never been in Neverworld Grid on a Neverworld avatar before, you may have to set it up. Mine's already set up for Neverworld Grid. So I just go in and I put in my avatar first and last name and password. If you haven't set it up for Neverworld yet, the instructions are in there on how to do that. Put in your avatar name, password, and click login, and here we go. And now this is my first time on this avatar, so it is going to take a moment to load, so just be patient. Just wait. It's going to load. Here we go. Do 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 do. And I could have used the magic of video editing and sped it up a little bit, but you know, I'm giving you true to life here now. If for some reason it fails to log in, go back, repeat your steps, make sure you confirmed your password, make sure you went to your account details, put your password in 3 times, make sure you confirmed your name is correct, and go through those steps again. It will let you in, okay? If you run into a problem, go to Discord, report it. We'll fix it, okay? Now, here I'm in World. It's going to take a bit to load because I've never been on this avatar before. So just be patient. It'll load in. We're going to go through all the steps here. My computer's a little bit slower because I'm running all these different programs in the background. I'm recording this and all whatnot. So just be patient. If you're on a really fast machine, you probably will have loaded by now. I'm on a i5 with about, I think, 32 gigs of RAM and maybe 16, I don't remember. But I'm running different programs in the background recording this segment. So here we go, we're loading in now. And this is quite a high poly count, I guess you could say, or whatever it is, avatar. So it's going to be a little slow on the load. But here we are. Now, what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to zoom in on my avatar, and I'm going to take a picture of myself because I'm going to show you something here. If you're wondering why, if you go back to the website and your profile's blank and it's just a gray head and all that stuff, well, here's how you fix that. Just go in, go to your avatar, zoom in on yourself, save it to inventory, take a picture, looking swanky now. I don't know what's up with the ears, but we'll fix that later. So we got a picture in inventory. Now we're going to pull up our profile. I'm sure you know how to do all this stuff. But anyway, we're running through it. Here we go. We're going to drag our picture over. And then we're going to fill out a little bit of our profile because that's what we do. This is Mr. Film Crew. Maybe I'll make him part of my film crew later. He can run the cameras for the TV station. Or he might just be a throwaway for this tutorial. You never know. Anyway, so we're going to save that profile. My pics aren't loading yet, but that's okay. Anyway. So we can goof around a little bit more here. Outfits, and I can go in here and try to edit a little bit and see if my ears compose themselves. I don't know that they will, but that may be something I need to fix later, but it's okay. I'm not heartbroken. I'm just doing a tutorial. It's all good. Do a rebake or something. Anyway, if you have any questions, you can go to Discord. Ask these questions. If you run into problems, Discord's the best place to ask. And if we don't get to you right away, we may be in a different time zone or something. But we'll get to you. Don't worry. We try to answer as quickly as possible, but sometimes we're not always available. But we try to make ourselves available as much as possible. But I think some of the problems we've had in the past with the website, it's just been a little bit of a misunderstanding. So I'm hoping that some of this clears this up. Now I know the developers of the software that's in the back end of this website, they are working on some of these issues, so where you don't have to have quite so many steps to go through this verification and all, so it'll make it a bit easier. But for now, this is what we've got. So I'm running through these steps just to show you how to do this. So now we've got verified. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to my dashboard again, and then what I'm going to do is I'll go back to my profile, and you'll see that there's my profile picture and my little bit of profile information that I've got in there. Now once I add pics and things, they'll generate themselves in there, whatnot. So and there's my avatar page. You notice that the starter avatar selections are gone because I've already selected an avatar, and it's as easy as that. So any questions, hit us up on Discord. The link's on the front page. Thank you.